Okay, now let's talk about how to add an assignment that has points associated with it. So go to classwork, go to create, and go to assignment. You've already learned how to add material for them to view or read. Now let's take the assignment part of it. So we talked about, let's say, Hamlet before, and we're going to do Hamlet questions and answer the four Hamlet questions related to the video we watched. Now you can add them in right here. How many characters were were there? Let's see. What is the plot and whatever else? Or you can add in a a resource that you've already created, like a handout. So, for example, I made uh, the questions already on a document, and so right there, and I'm going to add that in. So the students are going to um, have this. Now, what's cool is that when they pull it up, they can edit it and they'll have their own copy if I choose that as an option. So they can view it. If they just view it, they can't um, use it. They can just see it. So they could copy and paste it. I don't want them to edit the file unless I was just sending it to one student. But I'm going to make a copy for each student, which is just awesome. Again, it's like giving them a handout. And so they'll get that. And I go over here, I assign it to whatever classes, however many sections I have. Or if this is just for one student or group work, I would do that. I say, okay, there's 4 questions, 5 points apiece, 20 points there. I'm going to give a due date of, I'll give them till the end of the week. I'm a generous guy. And then if I wanted to add a time, I could say it's due by 3 o'clock p.m. on Friday. And then if I had the different topics, I would choose whichever topic to relate to. And what's so cool is this rubric part. You can create a rubric, reuse a previous rubric, or import one that you designed on Sheets. And I'll show you that in another video, how to create a rubric. And then plagiarism checking. You get to use this for free 3 times on 3 assignments in your course. So that's a really cool option too. And then I can either assign it or schedule it again. We talked about scheduling before, but if I assign it, now it's going to go out there. And if I go to my stream, you can see right here. How cool is that? Here's my assignment. I already gave them the video to watch before we talked about watching the Hamlet video. Now, here, if I had 25 kids in the class and I assigned it to all of them, 25 would be right here. And then however many have turned it in. So they're going to click on here and turn it in also, which is just really cool. And they submit it from their Google Drive because they'll use this doc that you gave them. And it says answer the 4 questions. How many were there? Like, again, you could put the 4 questions there, or you can just have it on the doc you made. And look, it's due Friday by 3 o'clock. And that is how you submit, or not submit, but prepare an assignment for the students and give it to them. Pretty exciting.